Guys, Walker Builds, and we're back. We're doing full exhaust on my 84 Toyota mini truck. We're doing a Magnaflow muffler, LC engineering header, vibrant resonator. Let's just get right to it. Alright guys, so it was just a few bolts just like around here. I went ahead, we replaced the studs, and other than these bolts, we had to get some gnarly rubber piece things. These were terrible to get off. They sucked, but we did it. What do you think, Mimi? Alright. We only had to cut it behind the muffler and then right where the two pipes joined together. And there was only like 6 rubber things. I'm pretty excited about this, so let's just get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we gotta put in is this new gasket. Just slides right in, super easy. You don't want to bend it. Boom, we're in. Let's go. So here's our LC header. And let's go ahead and put it in. We're gonna want to move our spark plug wires. Just want to go right onto the studs. Alright, we got the header in. What a fitment. It was a little bit of struggle, but we got it in. This looks amazing. This is amazing. The fitment is perfect. I'm so happy with this. Go LCE. This is awesome. It looks super, super amazing. Alright, so let's go ahead and start moving on. And man, this engine just looks so good. I'm thinking that that alternator down there is not looking so well. You guys are going to have to give me a thumbs up so we can replace that.
But man, look at this engine.
Seriously, it's so nice.
Unbelievable.
Alrighty. So first we had the manifold gasket. Then we put on the header. And now we're going to use our EGR delete gaskets. That's what we're going to go ahead and put on. We got 2 of them, so we're going to go ahead and put that on. And we're moving on to the next step. Now we're going to use our EGR delete plates. Put them where we just put the gaskets. Got both of them. And moving on. Alright, so these plates, they're not 100% perfect. They're just hitting the header. Just a little bit right there. We're going to have to notch it out just a little bit for it to fit both the bolts, because it was just hitting the header right here and it was making it crooked. So we're just going to notch that out a little bit with the Dremel and we'll make it perfect. Here's a better look of what I was talking about. Perfect now. Alright, so we've got our plates on. We're getting our nuts on. We need to tighten all of our nuts, tighten our bolts, and then we'll be moving on.